If GOG Galaxy is showing a patch error while modifying a game, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll start with the most recommended method, then move on to a folder change that can clear update issues, and finally, I'll show you how to bypass the client entirely by using offline backup files. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and PC troubleshooting guides. Let's get into it. First, go to the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. Find GOG Galaxy, right-click it, and choose Exit. This is important because you want to fully close the launcher before reinstalling it. Sometimes the patch error happens because the client gets stuck in a bad update state, and a clean restart can fix that right away. After closing GOG, open your browser and download the latest GOG Galaxy web installer from the official GOG website. Make sure you get the newest version because older installers or corrupted files can keep the same patching issue coming back. Once the installer downloads, run it and follow the on-screen prompts to reinstall or repair GOG Galaxy. In many cases, this alone is enough to clear the patch error and let your game modify properly again. If the problem is still happening, move on to the next method. Open GOG Galaxy again and go into Settings. From there, click Downloads. Look for the Temporary Game Update folder option. This folder is used while GOG is patching or modifying your games, so if it's located on a drive with limited space, permission issues, or file conflicts, it can trigger errors. Change that folder to a new custom directory, and if possible, choose a different drive from the one you normally use. A fresh location can help GOG create update files without running into the same issue again. After changing it, apply the settings and try the patch or modify process once more. For a lot of users, this fixes the error because the client now has a clean place to write update data. If you still can't get past the error, there's one more workaround that can help. Log into your GOG account through the website and go to the games page. Instead of relying on the client patcher, download the necessary offline backup setup files manually. These offline installers can let you bypass the client update process entirely, which is especially useful if GOG Galaxy keeps failing during modification. Once the files are downloaded, install or repair the game using those backups and see if that resolves the issue. This method is great when the launcher itself is the source of the problem because it avoids the patcher altogether. So to quickly recap, first fully exit GOG Galaxy and reinstall it using the latest web installer. Second, change the temporary game update folder in downloads to a new custom directory. And third, bypass the client updates by downloading the offline backup setup files from your GOG game page. One of these methods usually fixes the patcher error and gets your game modifying correctly again. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech fixes, gaming tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.